Wow. Good stuff. I think we're going to be fine. So if you want to come in a little bit closer into the field, you're more than welcome. That's it. If you just stand still for me, Owen. Owen, if you stand still for me, so you can move the camera can come down a little bit closer. Right, drop your arm down for me, Owen. There's a good boy. Okay, right, good stuff. Who knows what type of bird this is? Who knows? Go on then.
Is it a barn owl?
It's a barn owl. Brilliant, well done. Right, spin yourself around and put your arm up. There you go, perfect. Right, and this little one here is called Elm. Now, as I said, we don't know if it's a boy or a girl, because actually she was only born on the 2nd of June. So he's what, 3 months old now, that's all, just 12 weeks. He's already fully grown, he's not going to get any bigger. And this is his full size. In fact, he's been this size for the last 6 weeks or so. Right, Owen, spin yourself around and aim him at this green perch. So he's looking in the right direction. Elm! Elm! You almost like Elm! Wake up! Elm! Good stuff. Well done, Owen. Right. Now, because he's a baby, or she's a baby, obviously we still make the occasional look there. But you're doing a pretty good job, I think. Right, try and keep that hand down from the Owen if you can. That's it, well done. Elm, come on in. Elm.
Just don't move your head,
Elm.
though.
Hello. Right. Where do you think, which countries, spin yourself around, Owen, which countries do you think you can find barn owls in? Go on in.
Kind of like our country.
Yeah, in England, definitely. Yeah. If you want to come down into the field.